Hey everyone, welcome back to Bookstream for Tweens with the Fulton County Library System. Today we are talking about author Kaela Noel, Sister Ground. So Kaela Noel wrote her first novel and it was published and it's called Coup. I hope you guys check it out. It is wonderful and great and fun and I think you guys will really like it. So a little bit about the author. She was born in San Francisco and then she was raised in New Jersey. So I get a feeling from the book that the setting is something like a New Jersey area. It's close to New York City, sort of, but it's not New York City. So I feel like she used her where she grew up as the setting for her first book, which is very cool. And also she has a website, kaelanoel.com. You can reach out to her. She's got a contact form there, so you can definitely try to reach out to her. I'm sure she loves hearing from young readers, so you guys can reach out. She's also got a Twitter and an Instagram, so you can check her out there as well. So I found some cool videos from Kaela's website, and I will link them below. One is really cool because she is showing us how to make a DIY bird feeder, and she's got some other cool videos too, so I will link a couple of them down below, but definitely go to her website, kaelanoel.com, and you can learn more about her. And don't forget to send in your fan art. Fan Art Friday is coming up, and it's end of the month, so I hope to receive some of your fan art. Like I said yesterday, I have some fan art already done, and I'm excited to show you guys, so I hope to see something from you too. So definitely send that in. Email address is below, like always, and don't forget to like this video, and we will see you next time with a new book.